Hello guys, how are you doing?
Today it's Wednesday and it's time for another video. We wanted to go to Fiza's favorite place, which you cannot remember the name. But unfortunately, because of COVID, the place shut down, so we couldn't go there. But we went to another place called, what is it called? ABC Bistro. And we ordered one roti boom. That's a funny name for a meal. We ordered one roti telur. So roti telur, for the one who don't know, it's roti with egg. Telur means egg in Malay. And we ordered 2 ginger tea. So let's try it for you guys. Just to give you a little idea of how much does it cost for breakfast in Malaysia, one roti telur cost 2 ringgit 80 cents, and one roti boom it's 280 as well. 280 as well, and teh halim, ginger tea, it's 3 ringgit. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is around 880. It's around 12 ringgit for all. So we're eating for about $3 for everything. So it's very, very affordable. So now that we went for breakfast and that our stomach is happy, we're gonna go to the Botanic Lake Garden, which is located in the center of Kuala Lumpur. So we've learned something very interesting today. The Botanic Lake Garden in Kuala Lumpur was created in 1880. So it's 141 years old, which is pretty incredible. So they have a large variety of different plants here in the Botanic Garden, but we both don't know anything about plants. So it's gonna be very hard to talk about it. So the Botanic Garden is 81 hectares, which is 910 meters square, and it's a perfect place if you want to have a stroll with your family. You can even go cycling around, and most importantly, if you want to have a photo shoot, I'm the one. You can call me. I do a lot of photo shoot in the Botanic Garden, and it's amazing and very, very beautiful.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know?
So it's 12:15 already and I'm soaking wet. It's so hot. We stopped for a little drink, and our next stop is gonna be lunch because we're pretty hungry at the moment. And where are we gonna go?
Side Bistro, the name of the place. And this is biryani, right?
That I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted.
So we just arrived at the Side Bistro, which is located near Dawani LRT. And this is what we've got, biryani. So I think biryani is from India, is it? Yeah. And one plate like this is
15 ringgit.
15 ringgit. So if we divide by 4, it's a little bit less than $4. But because it's too much, we ordered one more plate so we can share.
Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but
One of the biggest advantage in Malaysia is it's very easy to find relative cheap food. Like we said, the biryani is 15 ringgit, and you can even find food that are cheaper than this. Nasi lemak, how much does it cost for nasi lemak?
2 ringgit, right?
2 ringgit. So you can eat nasi lemak for 2 ringgit, which is like,
Only for breakfast.
yeah, only for breakfast, but it's like 50 cents of euro, 45 or 60 cents of dollars. So try to eat for 60 cents in America. I don't think it's possible. So we finally finished lunch, and we both pretty full.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lisa's wearing the master shoes as well. And we hope that you have enjoyed this little video with us. We're gonna be making videos every Wednesday and publish it at 9 p.m. Malaysia. So if you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we will see you on the next video. Bye bye.